Alrighty guys, got another quick video walkthrough for you. Today we're looking at a 2016 Thor Hurricane 35C model. This is a double slide bath and a half. Check out the exterior here first. Check out all these compartments. You can see you do have a nice little pass-through right there. And then your second pass-through right here. And we got your propane tank. What is that, 26.2 gallons? And then another little storage area. Not a pass-through on this one, still a decent size. You do have an area for an outdoor TV. There is currently nothing in here, but you can easily mount one there. This is the only decal that's really in super bad shape with the cracks. Everything else is not bad. You have a little bit of fading on some of them, as you can see right there. Not full body paint, as you can tell. Tires are original Goodyears on this. 4814 in terms of the date code. And then I'm not sure what the previous owner did here. I think they may have had some type of cooler, maybe another outdoor entertainment, but they like screwed it down so you can't pull it out. Quite confused. Another pass through though. And then another little storage area right there. It almost looks like a pass through because you see that. I mean, I don't know, maybe put some skis right there or something. All right. Ladder up to the back. You can see your backup camera up there. You can see your hitch right here is 8,000 pounds. 7-pin connector. And here is the driver's side. So this is the other side of that pass through. Now you do have another tank here and you do have a dump, as you can see. That's just for the half bath. 50 amp power service. It is a double AC, coax connection, fuel fill, outdoor shower, water heater. Your other dump station for the main bath. 5,500 Cummins owning, 307 hours on it. And now we got the other side of those pass-through storages here. And then a little battery bay. Hydraulic pump. All right. You can see we do have slide toppers up top. All right, let's jump inside, see what this thing has to offer. One step up, little drawer right here, kind of nice. Right when you walk into the left, battery disconnect, on and switch, your auto gen start, and some light controls and power. Here's the first look. All right, let's start up front. Just a tad under 25,000 miles. Full electronic auto leveling jacks. Movable mirrors with heat. Backup camera. Gen controls. Then on the right side, you do have a flip over desk. With power in there too for a laptop. And of course, front seats do turn. I also got that little window there. I think it's perfect for a small pet. Now your storage above, it's very small, I guess you could say. Mainly because you do have an overhead bunk. So that'll come down with a push of a button. You can see the ladder here hooks on and you got yourself an additional sleeper up there. I thought it was 306 or 07, 366.5. Sorry about that. Right. So we're gonna go through this. We'll start on the slide here. Your slide goes from that corner right down to there. See, it's got that Thor wide dinette. This thing is pretty cool. You can actually sleep full-size people on this instead of the standard dinette you're used to. No accessible storage from the sides. Looks like you can get to it from the top. And then no overhead storage there. They replaced the standard couch here with theater seating. These are electric. You got small little buttons on the side here. Then you can bring out the leg rests. And then up above, you got these 3 storages. And that's part of the slide. On the other side, we got your kitchen. Above that, this does of course come down. Above that, a little bit of storage. To the right, massive microwave. Residential size, it looks like. It's not convection because you do have the oven down below. And then, under the sink, a little bit of storage and some water pipes. Then you got 4 drawers here. Oh, there's also a pots and pans drawer down below. Now, to the right of that, we got your residential fridge. This is a top freezer, bottom fridge whirlpool. So you do have an ice maker in there too. Now, being a residential fridge, it will only run off of electric. Something to keep in mind. To the right of that, got your pantry. A little slide out. And then a little bit of storage above that too. All right, moving over to the right, sitting down in this first seat. TV right in front of you. Would you look at that? Nice little pull-out pantry right there too. Was not expecting that to come out that way. And then a little bit of storage here. Below the TV, you got like your DVD player. Put an Xbox in there. So there's not much storage in these actual compartments because your bathroom is right behind this wall, which we will check out in a second. Now, you got a hallway that walks back to the bedroom, but to the right, you got the shower. To the left, you got the toilet. So you do have a little step up into the shower here. Looks like a 2x3 pan, 1-piece fiberglass. The skylight up top. I am 5'9", short little guy. Oh my God, you can be tall and still fit in here just fine with how tall that skylight is. So not too bad. All right, now right behind us, we do have the bathroom, and this little piece will actually act as a little kind of separator. So you can shut that and separate yourself from the people up front. If you got kids, you don't want to talk to them, yeah, boom. Alright, raised toilet. It is a China toilet. And then you do have a little bit of toilet paper storage and towel storage right behind. Plastic sink in here. Quite a bit of storage right there. If we ever run into a toilet paper shortage again, you'll be able to stock up and store everything. And then finally, a little bit of storage under the sink here. Like I said, a little bit. All right. We're going to back up over here, turn around, go to the bedroom. Bedroom does also have a slide queen bed. You can see the corners there where the slide comes in. That table is for the front. As you can see, right between those 2 chairs. So you can have turn them, have a nice little coffee table. Now behind me you do have another door that you can completely shut and give yourself even more privacy. If you really don't like the kids, you can shut both doors. No. All right, first wardrobe. And we got 2 drawers down below. Same size there. To the left of that, you do have a little window, your emergency exit, countertop, and then 4 of these bigger drawers. Charging station, power, one of your thermostat controls, 32-inch Samsung TV, small little storage there. And behind us, we do have an additional wardrobe with a custom shelf. Must have been the guy's closet right here. A couple small drawers there. And then finally, could be a wardrobe or could be a washer and dryer or maybe a little bit of both. Dometic combo unit in here. And you can see your overhead wardrobe there. Now, finally, last 3 storages in the bedroom. See, they go all, they're all connected right there. Nice and deep. And then of course your little half bath. This is a great feature to have. Got a fan in there, AC vent, medicine cabinet. Alright, little plastic sink. Good amount of storage actually. And then to the right is a plastic toilet, nothing too crazy. You have a window in here too to vent out. There we go. Alrighty. Well, that was a quick walkthrough for our 2016 Thor Hurricane 35 seat double slide on that Ford Triton V10 with the motor and the Ford chassis. My gosh, confusing my words there. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me give you one last peek of the exterior all closed up. Not the slides up, mainly other compartments. Now this is at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. You are welcome to call us. It is still available. My phone number is 520-807-0900. My name is Taylor Quayle. Go ahead, call, ask for me. I'll get you any additional info you need. Thank you so much for viewing. Have a great day.